Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers. Good day, my viewers. I'm Teacher Patrick by name. So today I'll be taking you physics, and today's topic is work, energy, and power. Past question 2013, and it is JAMB. Question 9. Sit down, relax, and watch. An object is moving with a velocity of 5 meters per second. At what height must a similar body be situated to have a potential energy equal in value with a kinetic energy of the moving body? A. 1 meter, B. 25 meter, C. 20 meter, D. 1.25 meter. Acceleration due to gravity, which is g, is a constant, is given as 10 meters per second square. Solution. Okay, now if you look at the questions, it says that at what height must a similar body be situated to have potential energy equal in value with kinetic energy. So they're trying to tell us here that the potential energy is equal to the kinetic energy. And let's bring out the formula for potential energy. It's given as mgh is equal to 1 over 2, which is the one for kinetic energy, mv squared. Okay, now m here means mass, and mass was not given in the question. If you check, it's not given in the question. I'll put question mark. Go to the next one. G was given in the question as what? 10 meter per second square. What of height? Was height given in the question? No, that is what we're looking for. So height, h, we call it the height. And we're going to put what? Question mark. Now what about velocity? Velocity, this v here is what we call the velocity, and it was given in the question as what? 5 meters per seconds. So we're going to put 5 meters per seconds. Now let's equate and solve. Now let's equate and solve. So from here, this mgh is equal to 1 over 2 mv squared. Now if you notice, m is appearing here, m is appearing here, so we are free to cancel. Cancel. And what is left? gh is equal to 1 over 2 v squared. So take note, we're looking for what? We're looking for the height. So if I cross multiply, I'm going to have 2gh is equal to v squared. Now if I make my h subject formula, take note, when I make my h subject formula, I'm going to have v squared divided by, this is 2g, you bring it under 2g. So you go back. What is our v, which is the velocity, which was given in the question as what? 5 meters per second. I'll put my 5. There's a square here. I'll place my square. Over 2 times. What is my g? My g was given as 10 meters per second square. 10. So let's go. 5 square, 25. Divided by 2 times 10, 20. So when you have your calculator there, 25 divided by 20, and you have 1.25 meter. You go to your option. You choose your final answer to be option D. So option D is our final answer. And this is how you solve such type of question. Always take note of the formula. That's always advise my students. mgh and 1 over 2 mv squared. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and comment. I say remain Teacher Patrick. See you next time again. Bye bye.